three, and let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Okay, that's very good. Now, check your calendars. Do you have your calendar? Okay, so tell me, what day is it today? Today is Thursday. Can you repeat? Thursday. Yes, that's very good. And what month are we in? September. Can you repeat? September. Very good, great job. And what's the weather like today? Go look out the window, open the window and tell me, is it sunny? Is it rainy or partly cloudy? Look out the window. Today, here in Mamãe Coruja, it's a sunny day. Like this, bright sunny day. Alright? So now let's sing the weather song. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather on this Thursday? On this Thursday. Let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. Is it sunny? It is sunny. Alright. Very good, guys. And today it's book day. Book day. Do you have your book? Okay, so open to this page. Look, there is a nest with the baby birds and the mommy birds. Okay, and there is an egg too. So look, pay attention. We are going to play a game. Fingers up, like this. Put your fingers up. Point to the mommy bird. Go, point. Where is the mommy bird? Okay, that's it. Now fingers up. Point to the baby bird. Go, point to the baby bird. Find the baby bird. And fingers up, point to the nest. What is the nest? Find out the nest and point. Okay? Very good. Now guys, pay attention. You are going to color, okay? Take your color pencil and color the mommy bird in blue. Take the blue, color the mommy bird. This is the color blue, okay? Blue. And you are going to color the nest in yellow. This color. The mommy bird blue, the nest yellow. And now you are going to draw a line. Draw a line on the egg and on the baby bird. Draw a line, okay? Alright? And I hope you have fun. Guys, I'll see you next week. Now let's sing the bye-bye song. 1, 2, 3, and